Hello friends, welcome to this video. In the last video, we learned about motion, rest and motion, okay? And we also learned about motion in a straight line, okay? So here we are going to learn these concepts of uniform and non-uniform motion. So what are uniform and non-uniform motions? So consider an object moving in a straight line, okay? Like the previous case, we have studied motion along a straight line. Okay, so if it moves 5 meters in the first second, then 5 more meters in the second, and the same distance in the next second. Okay. Okay, so it is moving such that it moves 5 meters in the first 5 seconds, in the first second, then again 5 more meters in the next second, and so on. Then the object moves equal distances at equal intervals of time. Okay. Such a motion is known as uniform motion. That means a motion in which a given object um, crosses or a given object travels equal distances at equal intervals of time. Such a motion is known as a uniform motion. Okay, so here an example has been given so that you understand it better. So here it is time and distance. Okay, so time is, okay, so it is measured in second and distance is measured in meter. Okay, suppose, okay, so at time is t equal to 0. Okay, at 0 second, how suppose the object is at rest at 0 second. Okay, so we'll consider that it is its distance covered by it is 0 meters. In the first second, after in 1 second, it moves a distance of 5 meters. Okay, then in the next, and after 2 seconds, it has moved a distance of 10 meters. Okay, 10 meters starting from the 0. Okay, starting from 0 in 2 seconds, it has moved 10 meters. Then after 3 seconds, it has moved a distance of 15 meters starting from beginning. After 4 seconds, it has moved a distance of 20 meters, 25 meters, 30 meters, and so on. So you see, in each case, in each 1 second time interval, okay, in each 1 second time interval, the object has crossed a distance of 5 meters. Okay, 30 minus 25 is 5. Then 25 minus 20 is 5. 20 minus 15 is 5. 15 minus 10 is equal to 5. So in each second, in the interval of 1 second, the object has covered a distance of 5 meters. Okay. So in this case, the object is said to have a uniform motion. Okay. So I hope you have understood the concept of this uniform motion. But in our day-to-day life, how often do we see such motion? How often do we see uniform motion? Okay, that is a question. So, but in our day-to-day lives, we mostly come across objects that cover unequal distances at equal intervals of time. Okay. In our day-to-day life, suppose consider that a bus is there. Okay, a bus is there which is running in a city traffic, or a car is there which is moving in a city traffic. So what do you think, will it be able to cover equal distance at equal interval of time and at an equal interval of time? So the answer is no, because the roads are very crowded in a traffic, and so the bus sometimes will move at a higher speed, then the bus will sometimes will move at a lower speed. So there will not be uniformity in its motion. Okay, so it will cover unequal distances, and under the condition of a city traffic, the bus will cover unequal distances at equal intervals of time. Okay, in such a case, the motion of the bus is said to be non-uniform motion. Okay. And uniform motion, maybe you have started walking, and you are walking at the same pace for maybe 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Okay, and you are maybe running in an empty field, maybe. Okay, so maybe you are running at the same pace, same speed, so that you cover equal distances while running at equal interval of time. So in that case, your motion would be uniform motion. But mostly, whatever motion we see around us, that is a non-uniform motion, because most of the objects cannot. Suppose, consider that you have gone to a marketplace. Okay, you are in a market, busy crowded market. So if you have to go from one end of the market, okay, this is suppose this is one end of the market and this is the other end of the market. So in a crowded marketplace, can you cover this distance like you have uniform motion? So the answer is no, you cannot cover the distance as if you have a uniform motion, because the market is crowded, there are so many people, so you will have to stop somewhere you can walk fast, somewhere you have to stop, somewhere you have to slow down. So in this way, you will not be able to cover equal distance at equal intervals of time. Okay, in such a case, your motion will be again non-uniform. So most of the motion that we see around are non-uniform in nature, but uniform motion is also possible. So that the motion is possible if the object can cover equal distances at equal intervals of time. Okay. I hope this concept has been clear to you. We will discuss such motion later in later videos, and graphically. Okay, by plotting graphs, we will also discuss such motion. So thank you very much for watching this video, and see you in the next video. Please do subscribe to this channel and share it with your friends. Thank you very much.